new addition to the Macau skyline right there. That's a little building next to Galaxy. I'll try to walk around and give you a little context for exactly where we are, but you can see the Cotai Strip from this spot. And we're kind of near a bus stop as well. And we'll try to give you a little context, including this right here, which is Flower City. So we'll give you context to all this, and I'm on my little iPhone here, so. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here we are, zooming at this new thing. This is actually an apartment building. It's next to Galaxy, so that casino is Galaxy. And we're kind of looking down this street in Taipa, not too far from a place called Flower City. And I'll just kind of show you, there's a bunch of buses in this area. And I'm on a shaky cell phone, which I usually use a camera stabilizer. But this is pretty bright now, and it's brand new. This wasn't even lit up like this a few weeks ago, but now it is. And you can see the Venetian over there. Just giving you a little touch of Taipa here. Got the buses, so this is kind of a main road here. And up here is Taipa, where you have all the tall apartments everywhere. So you can kind of see those. But yeah, that's basically the Cotai Strip over on that side. So let's just kind of show you into this little area right here. So this is a little park called Flower City, and then you can see all the tall buildings back behind it. I'm gonna move my camera around so you can see it a little bit. But you can see they have mid-festival. You got little bunnies in there. Let's try to see if we can zoom in a little bit. Yeah, you got some little mid-autumn festival bunnies, which is pretty common. You have a little pagoda. And there's also turtles for stuff in here as well. Let's bring the camera back out. And we're just kind of giving you a little taste of this area. That's that building that I kind of wanted to focus in on. Also, you can also see a light in the sky up there. That's from the Galaxy Casino. So the Galaxy Casino has a bright light. We'll try to walk over so you can see it a little bit better. There's the light of the, I kind of drawn it out from this light underneath. There's a Venetian casino right there. That's a Londoner casino right there. Venetian, Londoner. That's the Morpheus. And that's a Grand Thai apartment building. Then you have some more type of apartments as well. That's our Flower City behind us. That's that Flower City that's also behind us as well. That's the apartment area. And zoom in there one more time, then we're going to kind of show you what's around this area. Yeah, actually the cell phone is kind of nice for zooming in like that. So we're going to try to steadily walk to the side of Flower City, and we'll give you a little idea of where we are. Got a bus stop right here, of course. I think the footage is a little bit shaky. I don't have a stabilizer for this camera, but we're going to keep walking all the way through. Then we're going to go all the way up to this little entry spot, and then I'll just kind of zoom in on this area and kind of show you Flower City and how it fits in with everything else. So yeah, this is not the usual camera that I usually use, but we're going to use it today because I kind of like the zoom in feature, right? So now I can zoom in and see stuff that I can't usually see when I'm just walking with a GoPro. Got this restaurant here. have this whole street right here too. Flower cities to the left, and then these apartment buildings are to the right. And then this is kind of a pedestrian walkway. Sometimes they have festivals, sometimes they have different things here. But generally speaking, it's kind of a nice big pedestrian area. And you can zoom in, of course, which is kind of nice with this camera. Take a look at all the buildings everywhere. There's our galaxy, and let's see if we can get a better view. Now we're going to get a better view of this one. Galaxy to the right, and then our new building right there. That was built maybe about 2-3 months ago. It was finally constructed, and I think people started moving in. But now it's an apartment building, I believe, right next to, not too far from Galaxy. And there's a waterway right next on the other side of it, the waterway that separates Macau from China. Parisian right there, Venetian right there, Morpheus all the way over there. So kind of interesting. And I guess we'll end it right there. So hope you like this one, another little slice of Macau.
Chiquinha